Good day. Um, my name is Abdulaziz Jubro, and this is my presentation on the fitness booking system. So yeah, not to waste too much of my time because my laptop is hanging. I'll just dive straight uh, to the main thing. So this is a Django-based web application designed to manage fitness classes. So in this video, I will walk you through the code structure. I will explain the use of each file and demonstrate how I implemented Dockerization, GitHub Action for CI/CD, and Ansible for development. So going through to the code, to the structure. So this is uh, the fitness booking file. This is the main Django project folder containing the core settings of configuration. So right here we have settings.py. So this settings.py configures the database and install apps, middleware, and environment variables. So we have urls.py for maps URLs to view. Then under the booking, for the booking file, for the booking document, this is the Django app where the business logic resides. So under this, I have the model.py. This defines the fitness class model, which represent a fitness class. Then we have the views.py contains the class list, as you can see, contains the class list view to display all fitness classes. Then I have the admin .py, which is used for to register the fitness class model with the Django admin panel. Um, um, I'll still explain what other file is, but right here, let me just jump to the .env file. Yeah, this .env file uh, is used to I use this to store sensitive environment variable like database credentials and secret keys. So we have the Docker file here. Where is it? We have the Docker file here, and we have the Docker file defines the Docker image for the application, and the Docker compose dot YML orchestrate the service include the Django app, Progress SQL database, and as you can see, and um, the NGINX. So then I have the Ansible. So the Ansible or the playbook dot YML is used to automate the deployment process using Ansible. Okay, so now um, moving to back to where the business logic resides, which is under the booking. So under the booking, I have the models.py, the models.py. It we define it define the fitness class model, which represents a fitness class in the system. As you can see here, this is the code written for that. Then I have the views.py. So under the views.py, we have the class list view, which retrieves all fitness classes and renders them in the class list.html, which is here. Yeah, the list.html template. Then moving forward, I have the URL. Okay, let me talk about the URL.py. So um, so under the URL .py, um, we map the routes to the class list view and also include the admin panel right here. And then let me just jump into uh, the Dockerization and containerization. Um, okay, the application is containerized using Docker, which ensures consistency across development and production environment. So um, under this, okay, under this Docker file, okay, let me just explain in no time. So we have the build stage, which is used to install dependencies and create a virtual environment. Then we have the runtime stage, which copies the application code and runs the app using Guinea corn, yeah, as seen in this code. Then we have the Docker compose.html, sorry, dot YML. So then in this, I define the three services, which is the fitness app, which runs the Django application, then the DB, which runs the PostgreSQL as the database, and the last one, which is the NGINX, which acts as a reverse proxy right here. Yeah. Now, moving forward, let's talk about the CI. Where is it? Not far. Let's talk about the CI/CD pipeline. The CI/CD, I used the CI/CD pipeline dot HTML to automate testing. Where is it? Yeah, to automate testing and deployment. I use GitHub Actions. The workflow is defined in, where is it? So not to waste much of our time. The step I took is build and push Docker image, builds the Docker image and pushes it to the Docker hub, run test, execute Django test and generate coverage reports. Then I use it for deployment. I use Ansible to deploy the application to the staging or production server. Um, then I I use the GitHub secrets. Uh, I use this GitHub secrets to sensitive information like Docker username. Where is it? Let me just go there to show for that. Okay, yeah. So I use the GitHub secrets to store sensitive information like Docker username, Docker password, secret key is stored as GitHub secrets to ensure security. Then deployment with Ansible to automate. Where is my Ansible on the file? Um, where is it? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, let me just explain. Um, for deployment with Ansible to automate deployment, I use Ansible the playbook.yml file define tasks to set up the server and deploy the application. But I faced um, a general issue, and which is, if I show you um, my GitHub action, I was facing the general error of the payment thing. So I wasn't able to deploy finally, but my code is running very much, is running very well. So yeah, this is it. Thank you very much.